Hello, everyone. Imagine if you could find a way to calm your mind, reduce stress, learn new skills, and improve your overall well-being, without leaving your seat. What if the key to achieving this was already within you, just waiting to be unlocked? Today, we're exploring the transformative practices of meditation and mindfulness. By the end of this lecture, you'll understand the basic concepts of meditation and mindfulness, the benefits of incorporating these practices into your daily life, simple techniques to get started with meditation and mindfulness. Let's discuss the basic concepts of meditation and mindfulness. Meditation is a practice where an individual uses a technique, such as focusing the mind on a particular object, thought, or activity, to achieve a mentally clear and emotionally calm state. Mindfulness, on the other hand, is the practice of maintaining a non-judgmental awareness of one's thoughts, emotions, and experiences in the present moment. Example: mindfulness can be as simple as paying full attention to your breathing or the sensations in your body while brushing your teeth. Let's discuss the benefits of incorporating meditation and mindfulness into your daily life. Subtopic 1: Reducing stress and anxiety. Both meditation and mindfulness have been shown to significantly reduce stress and anxiety levels by promoting relaxation and helping individuals manage their thoughts more effectively. Real-world story: a study conducted at Johns Hopkins University found that meditation programs can reduce symptoms of anxiety, depression, and pain, demonstrating their powerful impact on mental health. Subtopic 2: Enhancing focus and concentration. Regular practice of meditation and mindfulness can improve your ability to concentrate and stay focused on tasks by training your mind to maintain attention. Example: many successful professionals, like Bill Gates and Arianna Huffington, practice mindfulness to boost their productivity and focus. Subtopic 3: Improving emotional regulation. Mindfulness helps you become more aware of your emotions and reactions, allowing you to respond to situations more calmly and thoughtfully. Analogy: think of your mind as a turbulent ocean. Meditation and mindfulness are like anchors that help stabilize your thoughts and emotions, allowing you to navigate through life's storms with greater ease. Let's discuss simple techniques to get started with meditation and mindfulness. Subtopic 1: Basic meditation technique. Start with a simple meditation practice. Find a quiet, comfortable place to sit. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Focus on your breath, noticing the sensation of air entering and leaving your body. If your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Example: set a timer for 5 minutes and practice this basic meditation technique daily. Gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable with the practice. Subtopic 2: Mindfulness in daily activities. Incorporate mindfulness into your daily routines by paying full attention to whatever you are doing, whether it's eating, walking, or even washing dishes. Real-world story: mindful eating involves savoring each bite, noticing the flavors, textures, and sensations, which can enhance your appreciation of food and improve digestion. Subtopic 3: Guided meditation and apps. For beginners, guided meditation sessions can be helpful. There are many apps available, such as Headspace and Calm, that offer structured programs to help you get started with meditation and mindfulness. Example: using a meditation app can provide you with a variety of guided sessions, from beginner to advanced levels, making it easier to integrate these practices into your daily life. Assignment: commit to practicing a basic meditation technique for 5 minutes each day. Write down any changes you notice in your stress levels, focus, and emotional state. Recommended resources. For further reading, I recommend The Miracle of Mindfulness by Thich Nhat Hanh. This book provides practical advice on how to incorporate mindfulness into your everyday life.